we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So I'm looking at these two refurbished super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 3200 with LatteGo and the Jura E8. Both are renewed, right?
Yep, both are listed as Amazon renewed. Looks like they're both sold by the same Amazon seller, too.
Okay, cool. Well, the Philips is smaller. Dimensions are 17 by 10 by 15 inches, whereas the Jura is a beast at 21.7x 19.6x 19.1 inches. Size is a consideration for my counter space.
Definitely. The Jura is bigger but packs more punch. It boasts a 64-ounce water tank compared to, actually, the Philips doesn't explicitly list the water tank size.
That's annoying. Okay, what about the grinder? The Philips has a 12-step adjustable ceramic grinder, which sounds pretty good. And they say it's good for 20,000 cups.
Jura mentions a 6-level Aroma G3 grinder that grinds twice as fast. And they also mention their pulse extraction process, P.E.P, for better aroma in short coffees like espresso. That sounds fancy.
The Philips highlights its LatteGo system, which is supposed to be super easy to clean, like 15 seconds under the tap. Milk froth is important.
The Jura has fine foam technology for milk, so also focused on milk drinks. One review mentions the milk doesn't get hot enough for lattes, though. That's a red flag.
Oh, no, that's a deal breaker. And the Philips claims up to 5,000 cups without descaling thanks to AquaClean. Descaling is such a pain. Though, it also says consumable accessories are not included. That's weird for a refurbished unit.
Good catch. The Jura does have an intelligent water system for automatic filter detection, which is convenient. But only one review, and that's not enough to go on for me.
True. The Philips has 19 reviews and a 4.1-star rating. And one review says it came without a brew unit. Yikes!
Yeah, both machines have potential drawbacks. The Philips seems easier to clean and potentially less expensive to maintain, but the Jura might deliver a better espresso, despite the milk temperature issue. In the dimensions...
Okay, I think I'm leaning toward the Philips. The smaller size, easier cleaning, and more reviews give me more confidence, even with the brew unit comments.
Sounds like a plan. Just double-check what accessories there is included with the Philips before you buy.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.